Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and security. As you can see right here, we've got the fingerprint unlock, so simply tap on it, and it is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. So it may be quite confusing because here we have to set the screen lock. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the pattern pin or password, so simply pick the option you'd like to use. And here we've got actually the same info that I've just told you, so just tap on got it. And here we have to draw the pattern, of course in my case redraw it and confirm. And as you can see, here we've got the info that right now we have to add our fingerprint just by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located right here. So that's quite a strange position of the sensor, I would say. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. And as you can see, it's quite easy in this device. We just successfully added the fingerprint. You can rename it if you want to here. So let me do it, because why not? Let me rename it. Okay, and tap on done. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the fingerprint list and the options which are connected to it. So here we've got the fingerprint we just added. After tapping on it, you can rename it or remove it if you want to. Here you can add another fingerprint. And right here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So the lock screen is defaultly activated, but you can also use it for privacy password, app lock, and here you've got also the fingerprint payments. So let me get back and let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.